This is the homework helper for Chapter 7, Section 5 in the workbook, box and whisker plots. So what we're doing up top here with the box and whisker plots is the first thing you can see I've done is I put the numbers in order from least to greatest, which is kind of a necessary step because the first step in making a box and whisker plot is to locate the median, and that's how we find the median. So I'm going to count in from the outsides and identify my median here. And as I count in, I see I have a perfect middle number here, which is 25. And that's going to help form the box of the box and whisker plot. Now, what you do next is you have all these numbers that are less than that median and all the numbers that are greater than that median. These are called the lower quartile and the upper quartile. And what you want to do there is find the median of both of those sets. So, down here I have 19 is the middle number from 16 to 24, and up here from 31 to 47 I have 42. And those are the other two numbers that make up the box of the box and whisker plot. So I found the median, I cut my numbers into two sets, and then I found the medians of each of those sets, and those three numbers, 19, 25, and 42, are going to make the box of the box and whisker plot. And I'm going to lay those right on top of this number line here, and of course it's going to be in a box form because, well, that's the name of the graph. Okay, so you're almost done. You've really done all the hard calculation that's involved here. What you have to do now are draw the whiskers of the box and whisker plot. And those draw out to what they call the extremes. That's the smallest number and the biggest number on the list. So that's going to go out to 16 and 47. And those are just simply lines that shoot out from the box. And once I do that, I've made the box and whisker plot. Okay, let's continue on with 2, 3, and 4. We're supposed to use the box and whisker plot here of the games won per season by the New York Yankees and the Diamondbacks for 98 to 2005 to answer the questions. So number 2, looking at those box and whisker plots, is asking us which team has the greater median number of games won. Well, the median, as you saw when we were up here in number 1, was the one that's in the middle of the box. So as you can see, the median here is 85. And here the median is around 100. So this one has a larger median, so we're going to answer Yankees there. For number 3, which team has the greater interquartile range of games won? The interquartile range is the area that's in the box. So they're asking you which box is the largest there, which one spans the most numbers. And as you can see, this Arizona Diamondbacks box is much larger than the New York Yankees box. So there, we're going to answer with the Diamondbacks. And to conclude, we'll take a look at question 4, which team appears to have a more predictable performance. So what they're asking there really is which one has a narrower range, because the smaller the range, the closer those numbers are going to have to be to each other because there's not as many numbers to consider. And as you can see, that Yankees one is much smaller overall than the Diamondbacks one. So again, we're going to answer Yankees here